For Storm Shield forecast, only on Fox 47 News.
Well, Caleb, I was out not too long ago walking the dog, and let me tell you, it was way too cold out there for me.
Oh, man, it's only going to get worse, too. Tomorrow and Tuesday, going to be cooler days. We just had some warmth, though, you know.
Yeah.
Kind of got to pay for it a little bit here.
Yeah.
All right, well, hey, let's go ahead and start things off by looking outside the studio right now. We do still have the stubborn low cloud deck. This is going to stick with us for the next few days. And our temperature is very chilly out there right now. We're at the freezing mark, 32 degrees currently. Now, elsewhere across mid-Michigan, we are at 35 degrees in Charlotte, 33 in Mason and Jackson, 32 in Hillsdale, 36 in Adrian, and 34 in Marshall and Coldwater. Many of us are just kind of flirting right now around that freezing mark. Now, the forecast for tonight, temperatures continue to fall. We'll get into the upper 20s, mostly cloudy skies. There's a slight chance for a snow shower late tonight into the wee hours of tomorrow morning. Winds on the lighter side be coming out of the west at 3 to 6 miles per hour. Now, for tomorrow, there is a slight chance for that snow shower early on as we have a cold front moving through. But the story for tomorrow is going to be our temperatures because, yes, we're going to get into the low 30s. When you combine that with winds that'll be pretty gusty out of the west-northwest up to 25 miles per hour, our wind chills are going to feel like the teens out there. So tomorrow is definitely a day you want to bundle up out there. And if you are taking your dog for a walk, I know I have a sweater for mine. He doesn't really like that much, but it keeps him warm at least. All right, now taking a look at our Doppler radar right now. The radar is dry, but our cloud cover showing up on the satellite, all of Michigan right now, seeing this extensive low cloud deck out there. Now, as I zoom out, we do have this cold front that is making its way towards us right now, currently over northern Wisconsin. Not a lot of moisture with that, but once it moves over Lake Michigan, I think it does pick up some moisture, and we could see, again, a couple of those snow showers early tomorrow. Behind this, kind of paving the way for cool Canadian high pressure that is going to move in, and that'll bring us a couple of very chilly days to the region. Now, today's high temperatures did get to the mid-30s, 36 in Lansing, Mason, 37 in Jackson, pretty much right around average for all of us today. Yesterday, we were in this warmth that you can see right now out to the east, and now this much chillier air mass, pretty much all of the nation resides beneath it right now, and that is just going to continue to spill into Michigan here as we move throughout the overnight hours. Again, temperatures falling into the upper 20s. For tomorrow, with that cooler air continuing just to usher in, we're going to struggle to see our temperatures rise, only getting into the low 30s tomorrow. Notice those pinks up there to the north. That is what's going to come this way as we enter into Tuesday morning. Some of the coolest air we've seen in quite some time here. Now, looking at our temperature trend, the cool air is very much here to stay with us. We should be around the mid-30s for average highs right now. We're going to be in the upper 20s Tuesday and Wednesday. Starting to warm up a little bit, though, for the second half of the work week. And by next weekend, we'll see temperatures getting into the upper 30s around that 40-degree mark. So a couple of chilly days, but some warmer days in sight for us. Now, looking at future track forecast here, overnight, mostly cloudy skies. Could see a couple of flurries. A better chance for a snow shower does come tomorrow morning as that lake effect moisture comes off Lake Michigan along with that cold front. And again, tomorrow's temperatures really struggling to rise, only getting into the low 30s. Wind chills in the teens with strong gusty winds. We're going to see a mix of sun and clouds, I think, throughout the afternoon, but definitely more in the way of cloudiness with that low cloud deck continuing to stick with us coming off Lake Michigan. Heading through Monday night into Tuesday morning, this is when that cooler air really moves in, and our lows starting off in the upper teens to low 20s. So Tuesday morning, definitely a one to bundle up out there. Tuesday's a very similar day, then another mix of sun and clouds, more in the way of cloudiness once again, and highs only getting into the upper 20s. Now looking at the next 7 days, again, chilly starts Tuesday and Wednesday. We do start to warm up, though, for the second half of the work week, getting into the mid to upper 30s. Every day, though, starting off in the teens to 20s. Next weekend, we continue to warm up. Rain showers Saturday, and I think we see a mix of rain and snow Sunday morning.
Oh, all right. Thank you, Caleb.